What's up guys, welcome back to my channel Superpower Style. This is Prachi and in today's video we're going to talk about how to get beautiful glowing skin. No harsh treatments, nothing toxic, just some simple lifestyle habits and some quality products. So first things first, let's talk about the importance of eating right. This sounds like a cliche, but guys, it's cliche because it is true. Maintaining a well-balanced diet, getting all your nutrition requirements met, it's very crucial. Especially focus on getting enough hydration, drink lots of water, get your antioxidants. For this, I love having green tea once in a while and definitely have lots of vitamin C in your diet. In fact, talking about vitamin C, ensure that you have vitamin C as an ingredient in your skincare routine as well. So yes guys, vitamin C, when you consume, it helps your skin. When you apply vitamin C as a skincare ingredient, even that helps you tremendously. For this, I have been using the Garnier Bright Complete Vitamin C Serum, and this has been one magical discovery for me. You might have even seen me recommend this product for multiple times on my channel. And by the way, full disclaimer, this was actually sent to me by the brand for this review, for this collaboration, but I have personally been using, I remember the first time I discovered this product was just when it was launched quite a while ago, and since then it has been one of my all-time favorites. This product works really well. So why does it work so well? Well, first of all, because it contains vitamin C. I'll tell you a little bit about vitamin C, okay? So vitamin C is a very good antioxidant. It helps in dealing with sunspots, sun damage, otherwise also, if you have pigmentation, dark spots, acne marks, if you have dull looking skin, vitamin C can be your go-to ingredient. Yes, it's that superhero ingredient that can do so much of good to your skin. So for anybody who has dull skin, if your skin has been looking blah, if you feel like your skin needs to be taken care of with all that pigmentation, dark spots, just go for vitamin C. I'm telling you, it is one of the best things you can use for your skin. And I can personally vouch for it myself. So first of all, when you start using the Garnier Bright Complete Vitamin C Serum, instantly your skin starts looking brighter. Instantly your skin starts looking uplifted, it starts looking brighter. And of course, with long-term use, the results are more amplified. By the way, this product also claims, and once again, I can personally vouch for this myself because I've seen the result. You actually see that your dark spots, your acne marks, they start reducing just within 3 days of using it. This product really works. The reason why it works so well is because it contains vitamin C. It actually contains 30 times vitamin C. So it's a very potent formulation. It contains natural ingredients, which makes it like such a big thumbs up product and such a must have. So using this is very easy. You just have to first clean up your skin really well. Take a few drops. I like to just apply directly with the dropper, but don't let the dropper touch your face, and then just very gently massage it in. The skin will just take it all very quickly. Because it's actually a very lightweight, fast absorbing formula, it does not leave any sticky, greasy texture at all. So this formula is suitable for all skin types, skin tones and all seasons. And like I always say, after applying any serum, please use a moisturizer. Lock it in with a moisturizer and wear a sunscreen. This is especially important when you're dealing with spots, marks, or when you're using something like vitamin C. Wear a sunscreen before you step out in the sunlight. That's all you have to do. So it's a very simple routine. It's not even like you have to go out of your way. So I'll tell you, when I started using this serum, I knew that, it sounds potent, it sounds like a very promising product. But when I actually started using it, I was like, okay, this is magic waiting to happen. Because instantly I started seeing these amazing results. Like I told you, instantly you will see your skin is looking more uplifted, it's looking brighter, it's looking much better. And in 3 days, you will start seeing that difference. You will notice that difference in dark spots, acne marks actually fading away. Your pigmentation starts to go away. And your skin just starts looking so much better. So it wasn't just me, like even the people around me started noticing that my skin has started looking so much better. And I'm like, really, I'm just using this product. No fancy treatments, no going out of your schedule to book appointments, no. Just using a formulation that works because of the right ingredient structure. I love that it's such an innovative skincare product supported by science. In fact, let me show you my own before after transformation, which is so real, it is so amazing, right? Very rich, antioxidant rich formula because it contains 30 times vitamin C. So obviously you'll get amazing results. Guys, what I'll do is I will put the link for this product in the description box below. You can check it out for yourself. In case you have any queries, let me in the comment section below. I would love to help you out. I would love to hear from you guys. Moving to our next point, make sure that you get adequate sleep. Now this is really crucial because we all know when you're not sleeping enough, you will start having those dark circles, and it also makes your skin very dull. And one more thing I've noticed, like we say that everybody needs at least 6 to 8 hours of sleep, but it varies a little bit from person to person. Some people, if you're like me, you probably need longer sleep hours to get fully rested. For some people, a little less sleep is also fine. They are fully rested in just 5 to 6 hours of sleep. So you will have to see what works for your clock, what your requirements are. If you need more sleep, you need more sleep. Get your rest. Moving to our next point, which is working out. Now, exercising, working out is not something we typically associate with good looking skin. We associate that with good health, but I'll tell you how it works. When you work out, it improves your blood circulation. We all know that. Improved blood circulation also means that improved blood circulation to your skin surface, not just on your face but for the rest of your body as well. So you have that flush on your cheeks, and it's a natural flush. So start working out. If you're not someone who likes sweating it out in the gym, maybe if you enjoy swimming, you can go for that. If you enjoy playing some sports, you can take up a sport. If you enjoy dancing, or simply just climb up and down those stairs, or go for a little walk or a jog in the park, whatever works out for you, whatever gets your body moving. And last but not the least, do not forget to massage your skin. Now, ideally, massaging is something like, when we say massaging, you think, oh my god, that long process. No, it doesn't have to be that. You can actually do like a 30 to 60-second massage every single day. I'll tell you what I do, okay? So, like for example, we just talked about the Garnier Bright Complete Vitamin C Serum, right? When you're applying a few drops of the serum, just massage it well into your skin, and then apply a moisturizer and massage that moisturizer, and that's it. So like I said, no extra products, no extra steps, nothing. So guys, that's all for now. Like I said, I will put the link for this product in the description box below if you want to check it out. I really highly recommend it personally, because it has helped me a lot. And if you want to add anything to this list, or if you want to ask any questions, please share your questions, your comments in the comment section below. I love hearing from you guys. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, because let's be honest, this video was super useful, super handy. So don't be stingy, hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you aren't a subscriber already. Hit that bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to Superpower Style for more. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.